Hello, hola, bonjour, ekaro, keidu, sonu, kujani, wherever you're watching me from. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean this my gunky stove. I mean, it's been over 3 years now. I've been trying to take this gunk out of my stove, and it has been a ton on my neck. Sometimes I don't have the time, sometimes I don't have the right equipment. But today I got the right equipment and I'm going to show you exactly how I clean my stove. So you can see the stove. So I got my pink stuff. I'm going to be cleaning. That's my magic cleaner that I got. And this thing work like magic. Okay? So the chisel, I'm going to be using it to scrape off all this gunk on my stove. Yeah. So and this chisel works like magic as well. It really helps me a lot. So look at the chisel. So because it has handles, yes, it's easy to hold, unlike the blade. But you can also get a blade if you don't have a tool like this. So I'm going to take out the rings and the bows. Look at the bows. It's so messy too. I mean, because I do a lot of cooking. I mean, I cook almost every day. So and you can see my stove. So it's so messy. In my previous video, you might have seen my stove. This is my real stove. So I got the new bowls as well for 25, 90, 97 or so at Walmart. But the price might vary in your state. So I'm taking out all the rings and the bowls. So I'm just going to trash the old bowls and replace it with the new one. Look at the bowls. Mm, gross. And then I pull the bottom up. I pull, I have to lift the top and then look at the bottom. So what I did with the bottom is I got a brush and I sweep the bottom out. Then I clean it with the pink stuff. But for the sake of this video, because I don't want it to be too long, I I'm just gonna show you how I clean the top. So I'm scraping off all the gunky side because that gunk have been there for like 3 years now. I've been trying to take it off, but now today I got the right tools. So and I'm so happy I got this. So you're gonna scrape it. It didn't scratch my stove at all, and because it has handle, it's easy to hold. So I prefer this. You can get one of these at Home Depot. So after 1 hour of intensive scraping, yes, man, my hands are hurting. But guys, make sure to put on a glove so that your hands is not going to get sore. This is hard work, but I did it and I'm glad I did. So after an hour, this is what I got. I got my pink stuff and I got a damp sponge. Make sure you use the hard side. Then place your pink stuff around the rest of the gunk that won't come out. Just put it there and let it sit there for 10 minutes. Let it sit around it for 10 minutes. I'm using my pink stuff all around the stove to soften the rest of the gunk that will not come out easily. Okay, then I got my chisel, and then it was so easy after doing this. The black gunk, the rest of the gunk comes out so easily. Yes, and then you can see my stove is not brand new, but I love the way it turns out. This is amazing. I'm so happy, and I'm glad I did take my time to clean this stove. Yes. So after 2 hours of intensive cleaning, oh boy, I am hungry after cleaning this stove. I am freaking hungry. Yes. So I got my hot brush and I applied some of the pink stuff around the switch. But you have to be careful when putting the pink stuff by the switch so that you won't get all the numbers rubbed off. So don't let the pink stuff sit too long on the switch. So I'm putting the new bowls in the rings. I take note, I use the old rings, but I got a new bowl, a new drip, drip bowl or drip tray, whatever it's called. But the bowl is not that expensive. Like I said, you can get it for sometimes it depends on your area and when you're shopping. You can get it maybe probably $20 or from between 20 to $25. It depends. So look at my stove, it is sparkling and I love the way it turns out. Yes. So if you've cleaned a junky stove like this, what do you use in cleaning it? Let me know in the comment section below and how the process turns out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited for my stove. I love the way my stove turns out. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe in order to support my channel. Like this video if you like it and leave a comment below as well.